For a display on website, just checking this does not automatically put the SKU onto the web. What's going to happen is first, once we check this box, and we've already saved the SKU when we're done with the general information area, the system's going to create this URL, or basically a landing page for this particular product. That way when I click on it, it's going to take me to that page, and now I can see all the details about that product. If I don't have display on web as yes or checked, I uncheck that and I hit save. Now when I come down and I try and click on this URL, I get a 404 error. Okay, so now it's a toggle in its most basic form. It's just a toggle to turn this page on or not. The other thing that it'll do is when we check display on website, what that's going to do is allow us now under the category section to see that particular product. So not only do you have to click display on web, but you also have to tell the system where do you want this particular SKU seen. So in this case on the web, I can say I want it under wines and I want it under red. I could also say I want it on a particular POS page. Something I will talk about in the POS series, do not put a SKU on multiple pages. You're just going to clutter everything up, but make sure you go in and take a look at what I'm talking about, and I'm going to show you everything there. But basically in the case here is just pick one page to put each SKU on. Then we save that, and now when we go to the home page of the POS, or we go into the category section of the website, that SKU will be there. We also have a teaser section and a description section that also pop up or are created once we save the general information area. We have the teaser and we have the description sections that are also going to be populated once we save the general information area. The teaser is going to show up here in the beginning portion of the product, and under this list of products that we see, the first thing that we see, and then when we click on that, then the description is going to show up there. So keep in mind your description can be a little lengthier to help explain everything, whereas your teaser, again, based on the name, it should be short and to the point and just kind of catch the person or the client's attention so that they want to learn some more, they can click on that. You'll also see that you have a marketing URL that's going to be produced by the system, as well as a QR code. And then you also have some meta tag titles. If needed, you could also add some meta tag descriptions to increase the search ability of your product on the web. So that's pretty much it right there for just putting together the SKU itself and starting with the product type, working through the general information area, and then going into the lower section that's produced. In the next video, we're going to start tackling all the little side abilities that you have.